Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 8th standard. Today's topic is India, location and extent part 2. Previously already I have discussed about the location and latitudinal, longitudinal extent and main boundaries. Now I will discuss about the neighboring countries. India shares its international boundary with 7 countries. It is bordered by the Afghanistan and Pakistan in the northwestern side, China, Nepal, Bhutan in the northern side, Bangladesh in the northeastern side, Sri Lanka and Myanmar and Maldives are in the oceanic neighbors. Now, these two island countries are situated in Indian Ocean. You have seen this is the Indian Ocean. So, Sri Lanka and Maldives are in Indian Ocean, and here only that the Sri Lanka, Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar, these are separated from India in this part. India and its neighboring countries have together been known as Indian subcontinent. Now let's come to the coastline. India has a regular coastline. This is the regular or intended means, regular means not broken. So regular coastline both the sides in the southern peninsula. The total length of Indian coastlines is 7,517 kilometers. The southernmost point in Indian mainland is Kanyakumari. That is 8 degree 4 minute and 41 second north and 77 degree 32 minute and 28 second east. It stands at the meeting place of 3 water bodies, that is Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. Previously the southernmost point was Indira Point in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. But now it has already submerged. That's why that is 2004 it has submerged. That time tsunami was there and that time submerged. That's why now only Kanyakumari is the you can say that is the southernmost point of India. Next we will come to the political divisions of India. Now let's see the states and the union territories of India and their capitals. First is Andhra Pradesh, capital is Hyderabad. Second, Arunachal Pradesh, capital is Itanagar. Assam, capital Dispur. Bihar, capital is Patna. Next coming Chhattisgarh, capital is Raipur. After that Goa, capital is Panaji. Gujarat, capital is Gandhinagar. Haryana, capital is Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, capital is Shimla. Jharkhand, capital Ranchi. Karnataka, capital Bangalore or Bengaluru. Kerala, capital Tiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, capital Bhopal. Manipur, capital Imphal. Meghalaya, capital Shillong. Mizoram, capital Aizawl. Nagaland, capital Kohima. Orissa, capital Orissa. Now next coming capital is Bhubaneswar. Punjab, capital is Chandigarh. Next coming Rajasthan, capital is Jaipur. Sikkim, capital is Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, capital Chennai. Telangana, capital is Hyderabad. Tripura, capital Agartala. Uttarakhand, that is Dehradun. Uttar Pradesh, capital is Lucknow. West Bengal, capital is Kolkata. Next come Union Territories. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, capital is Port Blair. Chandigarh, that is Chandigarh only. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, that is very small place it is. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, very small place. Only these part places is there. That is Silvassa. Daman and Diu, also that very close, only that place limited. Daman. National Capital Territory of Delhi. Delhi, only that place. Delhi. Lakshadweep Islands, that is Kavarati. Here, this place is Kavarati only. And Puducherry, that is Puducherry. So, and Ladakh also is there, Ladakh here. And Kashmir, that is Srinagar. So, these places we have seen the states and the union territories of India with their capitals. Some important point you listen about that India. That is New Delhi is the national capital of India. Rajasthan is the largest state, and Rajasthan you have seen, and Goa. Goa is the smallest state. Then among the union territories, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Bay of Bengal is the largest, while the Lakshadweep and Arabian Sea is the smallest. The states are further divided into districts, blocks and villages. According to Census Survey of 2011, India has a total population of about 1.21 billion people. Now, the India's position is just after China. And 17 states of India have common land boundary with our neighboring countries. Now, I am finishing my video up to this. So, I think it will be helpful for you. Thank you, everyone.